gonna like this one.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're gonna make something from the Far East, from Macau. And where's Macau, you say? Well, Macau is a series of islands and a unique region in China, about an hour west of Hong Kong by ferry. It was settled in the early 16th century by Portuguese, and it was a Portuguese colony till 1999. The people who live there are a mix of Chinese and Portuguese, and all their descendants are that mixed race, and they're called Macanese. They have a unique food culture, and anyway, it's a huge tourist spot and visitors place. The signature sandwich that is made there is called the Macau pork chop sandwich, and there are about as many versions of that in the marinade as there are Macanese Grandmas. But it is, I will tell you, one of Anthony Bourdain's top 5 sandwiches of all time. So we're gonna make it today. What we have here is about half a cup of brown sugar, tablespoon each of cumin, and baking soda. Now, baking soda is critical to this marinade. We got some Chinese black vinegar, soy sauce, coriander, Chinese 5-spice. You need that for this recipe. Garlic, white pepper, and ginger. So let's go ahead and make the marinade and get going. Alright, so we're going to put the marinade together. First thing we're going to need is 8 ounces of soy sauce, regular, not low sodium. This is an 8-ounce bottle, so that's 1 cup. Okay. Now what we need is this Chinese black vinegar. This black vinegar is very nice. It's sweet. It has a delightful molassesy, treacle kind of smell, and it's critical. You can get this at any Asian grocery store, and we're going to need about 4 ounces of that. We'll call that about half a cup. Okay. To that, we're going to add a half cup of brown sugar, the cumin and the baking soda, and all the other spices. And if you look on the notes below, you'll have the quantities. And the garlic, we're going to add about 4 ounces of minced garlic. Okay, you can see the baking soda bubbling up, but that's fine. Now, the reason why baking soda is critical is because it raises the pH of the marinade and the meat, and when the meat starts cooking, it prevents the meat molecules of the protein from binding tightly together. It keeps water in there, and that's why the meat is so moist. Okay, so here's the pork chops in the marinade bag. We got 4 half-inch pork chops, and one of the signature things about Macau pork chop sandwiches is the pork chops are always bone in, and they're no thicker than ½ an inch. It could be even less. If you've got thicker pork chops, beat them down until they're ½ an inch or less. This is going into the fridge to marinate overnight. Join me tomorrow. Okay, through the miracle of time, it is now tomorrow, and we are going to get ready to fry up the pork chops. Now, to assemble the sandwich, we need some nice buns, and we need a chili sauce. There are about as many variations of this theme as there are Macanese Grandmas, so you can use whatever chili sauce you want, and I've never figured out what exactly chili sauce the one Anthony Bourdain liked. But what I'm doing is I'm going to mix this hot chili sauce that's very garlicky with sambal oelek. These are 2 of my favorite chilies, Asian, so I'm going to mix them. They're going to be great. And then we're going to add a slice of pineapple to the sandwich for an extra special delicious bite. Making the chili sauce, we're going to utilize equal parts of this hot chili sauce with the sambal oelek. Oh, that's about right. and mix it up. In hot peanut oil, we are now going to submerge the pork chops that we've patted dry on paper towels, and we're going to fry these until brown. Now, I had a question about peanut oil in this kind of cooking. Peanuts are not Asian. Well, apparently the Portuguese had a lot of trade with West Africa, and they brought peanuts over to Macau, and peanut oil became very popular with the Chinese because it has a very high smoking temperature and worked well in their woks. And you want to fry them till they're nice and brown and crispy on the outside. Once the meat's done, we're going to take these pineapple rings that we've dried off of the excess juice, and we're going to fry these up. Let's build our sandwiches. Here we have some toasted buns, chili sauce, the pork chops, and a pineapple ring. And here we have a pair of absolutely delicious Macau sandwiches. Look at that, with a pineapple and the meat and the chili sauce. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, it's dripping. Let's go ahead and take a bite out of it. Oh, look, I'm going to bite this one. Okay, ready? It smells delicious, by the way. Mmm. Dripping chili sauce everywhere. That meat is tender. Very tasty. The marinade went all the way through. A hint of sweetness. Nice spices. The Chinese five spice was good. The heat from the chili sauce mix I made goes very, very well with the meat. Yum. The pineapple in there is a nice addition. I don't think you necessarily have to fry it. I just did. I would definitely make this again. I just wish I had marinated more than four pork chops. You can use any kind of chili sauce you want. Sweet, not hot. I would think, strangely enough, what is it? Shrimp cocktail sauce would be superb in there, because it's got a little tang, a little sweetness, no real heat. That would be perfect in there. Shrimp cocktail sauce. Okay, well, thanks for watching, people. I appreciate you taking a trip to Macau with me. Y'all take care.